There we go. What is going on, YouTube, and welcome back to KD Adventures. Hope everybody's doing awesome. And you know, in the world of like fishing in general, not even just bass, but like fishing in general, there's a lot of ways to catch a lot of fish. And one thing I'll never understand is I don't want to say discrimination, but the pure disgust for lures just based on, you know, how they're used or the size of them and whatnot. Because one day fish could be wanting something like big, you know, one day they could be wanting something small. Some days they'll eat anything. And you know, one of those lures that like I think of, like that comes to mind when people are just like hating on a lure for just being a lure, is the NED rig. Like literally, people hate on this little thing just because it's a little thing. Like, I know some are jokes, like, you know, I see on TikTok and Instagram, you know, some people joke about it, you know, but there's some people who like, they get mad. They're like, nah, get rid of the net, throw a jig, be a man, you know, And like, what? You're gonna literally hate on this little thing, even though it catches fish. Like, if we go out to a pond or a lake or something and you're throwing a jig and you catch one fish the whole time, but I catch like 10 just on this, who's the real silly goose there, buddy? Like, stop hating on this just for being a fishing lure and existing. So today, this is my spite video. I'm literally gonna go out with just this and just use the net the whole day and catch fish. Like, I don't care. I'm not gonna throw a jig. I'm not gonna throw a big old worm. I'm gonna throw a little net. I'm gonna catch fish, and I'm just gonna make this video for educational purposes, for like, you know, young anglers who are still like trying to figure out what works and stuff. I'm gonna use that for that. But also I'm gonna use it out of spite, just to make people mad. The net haters. I'm gonna make the net haters mad, and I'm just gonna use this net rig today. And in all honesty, I've never caught anything on a net, so I'm gonna look for that today too. So other than that, let's get to the pond. Hey, not gonna lie to y'all, it's a little warm out today. A little warm, a little sticky. There's clouds, there's also a breeze. Apparently there's supposed to be like some thunderstorms that roll in this afternoon. So who knows what's gonna happen today? All I know is though, I got faith in the NED rig. We're gonna catch something today. I know it. Oh yeah, nice cloud coverage, I like it. Makes it not as hot. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh God, they pulled it almost off the hook. I don't think that was a bass. I think that was panfish. Not gonna lie. Been out here about 20 minutes now and I still haven't caught a fish. Kind of surprising for this spot. Spot usually my go-to, you know. It's my little confidence pond. And this is the deepest This is the deepest part of the pond that I'm fishing at right now too. Not gonna lie to y'all, I'm getting a little like nervous with this pond because this is like my go-to pond. I can usually come out here and throw anything and catch fish. But right now, I'm only seeing little panfish. I can usually see like a bass or two patrolling the banks. Usually the bigger guys are out in the deeper spot, but like, yeah, I don't know, I'm not seeing anything right now. That's another, oh, I thought that was a wind knot for a minute. Yeah, I'm getting, I don't lie, getting kind of nervous. What the heck, I was just over there. There we go. Oh, it's a little guy. And he's spitting on me. God bless America. Ah. That sucks. Dang. Man. Been over here for about like 20 minutes now. I came over from that other pond to this pond. This pond I usually really don't catch fish at, so I was surprised to actually hook into one. But he got off on me. Ah, sadness. Sadness, sadness, sadness. I swear I pushed the button. Alright. Since my GoPro messed up here, I guess. Made a couple casts over at the spot right now. Still haven't caught anything. But I feel it in my bones that we're going to catch something here. Alright. This is another one of my go-to places. Caught a lot of fish here on soft plastics, so definitely going to catch something. It is hot right now, though. I tell you what, it is hot. I'm sweating. It is hot. That's where I think this Ned rig is going to really shine. Is when it's hot. Fish are probably going to be lethargic. It's just got to get one to bite, you know. A lot of activity around here. Fish jumping. These little guys are moving. Just need the old bass to come out and play, you know. Tell you what, though, if I'm gonna fish again, I need to fish early in the morning or late in the evening, because this is probably not the best idea to come out like noon. Cold shower sounds nice about it. It is hot. Finally. Hey, hey, hey. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Right in side of the mouth, pretty much. Yeah. All right. First bass of the day on the old Ned rig. Got a little dark head too. And still a dark spot on his head. That's awesome. Thank you, good sir, for being the first fish of the day. Oh, that's actually really cool. In his in the water, that dark spot like darkens up even more. So he has like a whole kind of like a birthmark just on the front side of his face. That's awesome. And there he goes, just swimming away, nice and slowly. Heck yeah! Called it now. I knew I was gonna catch one on the Ned rig here. This spot right here is just, fish love the plastics here. Don't know why, they just do. Boom though, son. All you Ned haters can kiss my booty cheeks. Freaking caught one on the Ned. He was playing with it for a good minute there. And he started kind of like taking off with it, and I was like, all right, there we go. Oh, man. Let's see, pull this off and probably re-put it back on. That was a very cool fish though. He had like a whole, the whole front side of his face, like half of it was just black. It's awesome. Not gonna lie, kind of messed up a little bit. Went out during the hottest time of the day, which I kind of regret because I was sweating and it was, yeah. But to all you Ned haters out there, you can kiss my booty cheeks because we caught a freaking fish on the Ned rig. We should have had two, but that's not the point. All right, caught a fish on the Ned rig, and it was probably the coolest fish I've ever caught because the dude, like, couldn't tell probably in the camera. But when I put him back in the water, he started swimming off. He was in the water and the sunlight hit him. This whole like side of his face was just like a black patch. Like the dude looked like Harvey Dent from Batman. It was the coolest bass I've ever caught. And so, yeah, I was pretty stoked about that. But yeah, other than that, you Ned haters, you can kiss my booty cheeks for all I care. If you guys want to see me try out any other rigs or any type of fishing techniques that you guys are kind of curious about, let me know down in the comments below. Other than that, if y'all enjoyed the content, hit the thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button, share the heck out of the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next adventure.